Alright, what is up YouTube? I'm back with another video. Just got out the gym. As you can see, young LA merch. Someone in my comments in the last video mentioned this. Glad there's gym bros watching me. But today, I'm doing a cheap mod with the big change. I'm changing the color of my wheels. So I changed them to black because they used to be gold. But after some time, I did a shitty job. On the camera it looks okay, but you can see like the paint peeling and everything in person, and you can see it fading away. So this time I'm gonna do it right. Primer, better clear coat. I think it's mainly primer that I needed to do, but let's hope that this actually works out. I'm gonna be copying Brian. He's also doing white on white, but fuck it, it should come out pretty good. I messed up the first time when I lifted it, and it was outside of my garage. So I had to start up my car and move everything over. But only shitty thing is that I have these side skirts, and then when I lifted it here, it popped out the self tapper. So I'm gonna have to screw that back in whenever I lower it. Sucks, but whatever. Now I'm just gonna start by taking off the wheels, and then gotta go wash it in the backyard and everything, and then mask it well, and then primer and paint. I don't spray paint that much. Alright you guys, this is part 1 of my NASCAR pit stop crew tryouts. Alright, you ready? Shit. Oh my god. Shit. Fire. Always done. Now I'm doing the other side, probably won't record because. Alright, so you guys are in my backyard. I got all the wheels off. So I'm just gonna start by popping these out. Option laps, center caps, and then I might just throw a brake cleaner on it, because that kind of helps take off the paint. At least for this, at least for mine it did. When I try to spray it to clean everything, but yeah, I'm gonna do that and then rinse it and then wash it an okay amount. Alright, so I just washed everything. I don't know if you can't see it, but oh yeah, you can. The paint's peeling. Everything's all like textury over here. Yeah, it's all bad. This is a shitty paint job my first time, but hopefully this time we can do it better. I'm just gonna go in and start sanding. For you guys, I got the limited edition blue tape on black rims. Blue tape tires, extra grip. Nah, but I masked everything off. I'm about to mask off this, and then I have some cardboard. Then I'm gonna throw these tires on. You know what I mean? And I'll start spraying. But after I sanded everything down, you can see a little bit of the gold, and then it's like a lot rougher on the paint. So I guess the primer has something to grab onto now. So yeah, I just tape everything up and then see how everything ends up. Alright, what's up you guys? It's day 2 of this process. Got up kind of late today, but let's go check up on the wheels. This is what they're looking like. Hopefully the clear coat is good. I don't want to do anything else. It's kind of wet or like damp. I don't know why. Don't know if I need a wet sand it or what, but it's only spray paint. They're good for now. So I put the center caps on and the valve caps. So let's see how these fit. I mean, not see how they fit, but see how they look. Oof, fuck. Alright, there goes nothing. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Boom. Not too bad. Might change the color of the car eventually. Might try to wrap it soon. But then I also need to fix my fitment in the rear. It's a little bit too high. But I think so far it's pretty good. Alright you guys, but I think that's gonna be all for this video. So yeah, it was a pretty quick one. Not much, just painting my wheels. Just to recap, the paint I used okay, but it wasn't perfect. I think it's just good for now. I mean, I don't want to spend more money to get actual wheels or new wheels for this car. But maybe in the next video I'll try to fix the fitment there and try to get some spacers for the front. Yeah. So then I'll see y'all next time. Peace.